Now I want to discuss with you one problem based on section formula. Problem is, find the ratio in which we need to obtain that ratio in which joining of points 215 and 3, 4, 3, joining of these 2 points, that is, first point suppose A, next is B, coordinates of the first are 215 and coordinates of the second are 343. Find the ratio in which the joining of this and this is divided by the plane. A plane cuts the joining of these 2 points. Equation of the plane is 2x plus 2y minus 2z minus 1 is equals to 0. We need to obtain that in what ratio this plane is intersecting the joining of these 2 points. Let us suppose this separates it into the ratio of k is to 1. Then x, y and z. As per norms formula, if it divide in the ratio of k is to 1, then mx2, the value of x will be 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. Y, for y, my2 plus ny1, that will give us 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1. And z, that is 3k, the answer of z will come out 3k plus 5 upon k plus 1. This plane is separating the joining of A and B in the ratio of k is to 1. So the coordinates of that point P are x, y, z has come out 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. Y is equals to 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Z is equals to 3k plus 5 upon k plus 1. Now, as this point is the common between this line and plane, so values of x, y, z will satisfy our plane whose equation is 2x plus 2y minus 2z minus 1 is equals to 0. So if I put these values here in place of x, this value, so I will get 2 into 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1 plus 2 into 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1 minus 2 into, in place of z, this is 3k plus 5 upon k plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. As I have put the values of x, y, z of required ratio, so if I simplify it, I will get the value of k as 5 by 7. I have taken ratio was k is to 1, so this becomes 5 by 7 is to 1. I can say the ratio, that is m is to n, is 5 is to 7. So one of the part, that in what ratio, the ratio will be 5 is to 7. Now the question is, what are the coordinates? In order to find the coordinates, we will put 5 by 7 in place of k, where was the values of x, y, z required to calculate. So if I put k is equal to 5 by 7, in the value of x was 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1, it was 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. If I put in place of k 5 by 7, the value of x will be 29 by 12. So the x coordinate will be 29 by 12. Similarly, y was 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Here k is also 5 by 7. If I put this, I will get it is 9 by 4. Similarly, the value of z was 3k plus 5 upon k plus 1. If the value of k is supplied 5 by 7, the answer will be 25 by 6. Hence, the coordinates of that point are 29 by 12, 9 by 4 and 25 by 6, and the required ratio will be 5 is to 7.